Baltistan is a historical region in the northern areas of Pakistan. The region has a rich history that dates back to ancient times, and it has played a significant role in the cultural and commercial exchange between Central and South Asia. The ancient history of Baltistan is shrouded in mystery, but it is believed that the region was once part of the Indus Valley civilization. In the 3rd century BC, it was ruled by the Mauryan Empire, followed by the Kushan Empire in the 1st century AD. Later, it came under the rule of the Gupta Empire. In the medieval period, Baltistan was part of the Tibetan Empire and later became a part of the Ladakh Kingdom. It was also ruled by the Mughal Empire for a brief period in the 16th century. In the 17th century, Baltistan came under the rule of the Dogra dynasty, which was based in Jammu. The Dogras established a feudal system in the region, which lasted until the region became part of Pakistan in 1947. Today, Baltistan is home to diverse ethnic and linguistic groups, including Balti, Shina, and Barusha. The region is known for its unique cultural traditions, including its cuisine, music, and dance. Baltistan is also a popular tourist destination, known for its breathtaking natural beauty and its location in the Karakoram mountain range, which is home to some of the world's highest peaks. The region is famous for its trekking and mountaineering opportunities, including expeditions to K2, the second highest mountain in the world. In conclusion, Baltistan has a long and fascinating history that has shaped its unique culture and identity. The region's rich heritage and natural beauty continue to attract visitors from all over the world.